Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 51 of Qaida. Um, Alhamdulillah, we have already learned 3 of the Noon Sakin and Tanween Qawaid. The rules of Noon Sakin and Noon Sakin or Noon Sakin or Tanween. So we are going through all those rules. So the first rule what we took was Idhar. Idhar. An abbreviation of Idhar is, I said, and it was related to huruf halqi, huruf halqi, throat letters. Huruf halqi. And those are halqi, throat letters. And these are, okay, kha, ghain, ha, ain, and hamza ha. These are the 6 throat letters which are related to Idhar. Then there was another rule, and that was called idgham. Idgham. And the abbreviation of idgham was ID. ID idgham. And the letters of idgham were yarmalun. Yarmalun. Okay. And the third rule was club. And iqlab, the abbreviation of iqlab was IQ. And the letter related to it was ba. Okay. We have already learned all these 3 rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Whenever Noon Sakin and Tanween is there, and then you find throat letters, which are these ones, throat letters after Noon Sakin or Tanween, you will apply Idhar. And Idhar to say the letters very clearly. Idgham, when Noon Sakin and Tanween, after Noon Sakin and Tanween, you find these letters, Haruf Yarmalun, Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Nun, then you will apply Idgham. And when you will find Noon Sakin and Tanween, after Noon Sakin and Tanween, you will find Harf Ba, you will apply the rule of Iqlab. And Iqlab is to change. Idhar to say as it is. Idgham is to merge one sound in another, and Iqlab is to change. So you change the sound of Noon into Mim. So these were the 3 rules which we already took, and there is 4th and the last rule of Noon Sakin and Tanween is, and that is Ikhfaa. And Ikhfaa is to hide. Ikhfaa means to hide. In Urdu we say khafi, yes, makhfi. So it all means to hide. So the abbreviation of Ikhfa will be IK, and which letters should be there for Ikhfa. So whichever letter is Like if those are not izhar letters, or there are no throat letters, there are no haruf yarmanun, there is no ba, then any other letter will be under the category of ikhfa. If any letter is not among throat letters, it's not part of haruf yarmanun, and it's not harf ba, then all rest of the letters will be under the category of ikhfa. So after noon sakin or tanween, if you find any other letter other than izhar letter, other than idgham letters, and other than iqlab letter, any other letter is coming, then you will hide the sound of noon and tanween, and you will keep the sound in your nose. So what we are going to do in ikhfa, we will certainly discuss later on, but be very much clear about which are the letters for ikhfa. There shouldn't be any throat letters, there shouldn't be any yarmanun letters, there shouldn't be ba. Any other letter than all these letters will be under the category of ikhfa. Okay, so in ikhfa, what you will do, number one, like how you will create the rule of ikhfa. So you will not pronounce the sound of noon. No, you will not pronounce sound of noon. Secondly, you will go towards the letter after it. Okay, you will go to the makhraj of the letter which will be after noon sakin, and you will keep the sound in your nose. I'm giving you the just the signs. Keep the sound in your nose. Yes, is this your nose? Yes. So keep the sound in your nose here. Here. So ikhfa is don't say the sound of noon. So you are hiding the sound of noon. You are actually hiding the sound of noon. You are going towards the letter which will be any letter which will be after noon sakin or tanween. Okay, there will be noon sakin and after noon sakin and tanween, you will go towards that letter. And thirdly, and the most important one, you will keep the sound in your nose, and that is, what do you call that? Yes, you call that a gunna. So and you give capital G for it. So ikhfa is actually a gunna. Some scholars give it a name of gunna, but we are keeping it in under ikhfa. So this is what I wanted to tell you. So we'll go towards qaida now. So where is the qaida? Okay. So this is page 51 of qaida, and there is ahkam al-ikhfa which is being discussed. Okay. So أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, let me take the pen. So فَمَنْ تَابَ. Okay, first of all, the first condition, what you are looking for, noon sakin or tanween. Is there any noon sakin or tanween here? Yes, this is noon sakin. This was actually noon sakin, but you will not see anything, and this is the sign that you have to hide it, because this is this you are not pronouncing noon. So this was actually that was with sukoon. So this is one condition that you have found noon sakin. Oh, okay. Then other condition is to look for the letter which are not part of throat letters, which are not huruf manun, that is not harf ba. So ta is the letter which is not part of throat letters, which is not part of huruf manun, and this is not harf ba. So ta is harf ikhfa then. Okay. So this is the second condition which is completed. So we will create ikhfa here now. Look, these two conditions are met. So we will apply ikhfa and we'll write this abbreviation over here. And how we are creating? We are not saying the sound of noon. So what we are doing then, where our tongue will be, it will be ready to pronounce the letter coming up, and that is ta. So you will go to the makhraj of ta. You will go towards it, but you will not actually touch the makhraj of ba until you have to say it. Okay. So look, and thirdly, you are keeping the sound in your nose. فَمَن تَابَ فَمَن تَابَ إِن تُصْلِحُوا. Okay, here the example is with tanween. So you are looking for noon sakin or tanween. Where is that? Look. So here is the first condition, and which letter is coming up? Is this a part of throat letters? No. Is this part of huruf al-manun? No. Is this harf ba? No. So this is harf ikhfa. So when you have find the second condition, you will write what? Ikhfa. Abbreviation ikhfa at the top of that. So you are hiding the sound of noon, this noon, because there is noon, you know that. So you are hiding the sound of noon. You are going towards the makhraj of ta, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Jannatin tajri. So very simple thing what you should do with when you will be hiding the sound of noon with the ikhfa letter of ta, you will keep your tongue straight. Jannatin tajri naran talazza. Naran talazza. Can, can you figure out what I'm doing when I have to say what was the original sound? Let's figure out first. Naran talazza. But what you have to say with applying all those three steps of ikhfa. نارا تلظى. Okay, now with harf tha, because they are giving you practice with all the ikhfa letters. منثورا منثورا. So you will keep your tongue straight and you will keep the sound in your nose. You will create gunna too. Mansura. Okay, with harf jim. Wal injila. So your tongue is in a straight position. It's not going towards the makhraj of noon, but it is going towards the makhraj of jim. And thirdly, you are keeping the sound in your nose. Wal injila. والإنجيل. Now with that, عن دينه عن دينه. Now with that, عن ذكري. With ذا أنزل. So constantly you are keeping your tongue in a straight position when ikhfa letters are light. Okay? Okay. Nasakh. Okay, with sheen. Ansha'na. Let me remove my drawings. With sad. Now, here comes the heavy letter, which is ikhfa letter. So when the letter is heavy, the ikhfa will be heavy. So you will lift your tongue. The sifa of heaviness will not go away even you are hiding it. صبرنا صبرنا منضود من طور. So I'm revising all the three steps, what you are applying to create ikhfa. You are not saying the sound of noon at all. You are going towards the makhraj of dha, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Yanzuruna. So for all heavy letters, which are ikhfa letters, you are making a heavy ikhfa sound. Yang. Can you feel that sound? Yanzuruna. Yung. Now this is light. Yung. Yung. Saw. Min qabli. Minkum. Okay, these were the. So, Alhamdulillah, we practiced our all our ikhfa letters. Now, that's that was a good practice with ikhfa letters. Inshallah, we'll practice more in other slide. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.